Come on, little wobbin, up there. Look carefully. Don't think you can see him. Oh, my plum tree. Right. Just check on the chickens. They have been eating their food. See, are they still there? There they are. There's one of them down in the corner. Don't you can see him? Anyway, it's too bright sunlight today to film things, but have a go now. One thing, the birds. Let's focus back. There's a little wobbin. You look carefully. I don't know if you can see him. The sun's too bright. He's up there. You can hear him. Look carefully. He's up there. A little wobbin singing away. I need to cut this plum tree a little bit. Prune her up a bit. This apple and plum trees, both combined. Alright, I better get back. I got a lot to do today. Work.